It's just another boring day with nothing to do but become a duct-taped cardboard knight yet again. You were made for adventure. If only robots were real, you'd make one. You'd hunt down a woolly mammoth if you could find it. Man, if only there was a real place you could go to do all of the cool things you've been wanting to do. Lucky for you, this plain old card is like a magic key to just about anything you can dream up. Because adventure is waiting for you at LA County Library. Do you go crazy for science and technology? Visit the MakeMo, where you can bring your most inventive creations to life. You don't have to imagine cool stuff anymore. Now you can make it. Are you an explorer? Your library card also gets you free entrance into museums around LA. Transport yourself to the wild, wild west. Bug out, or see a real saber-toothed tiger, which isn't even a tiger at all. Who knew? Need homework help? The smartest, coolest people are ready to help you with math, English, social studies, and science at the library. Need some help with your report or research? We've got it, in person or online. We've even created a special part of the library for you. And of course, we have walls of books about all the fun stuff you're interested in. From comic books to costumes, drawing to dogs, our librarians can lead you to all sorts of adventures. But that's not all. You can get free song downloads, ebooks, magazines, movies, and TV shows too. And the fun continues through the summer with the library summer reading and discovery programs. With your LA County Library card, you'll never be bored or looking for something to do again. Adventure is right around the corner. The library is waiting for you.